that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to pretend.
Hey guys, it's Kim. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you were watching. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, as you can see from the title, it's going to be the self-care episode 2. So today is October 16, 2023. So before I start this vlog, I want to make a life update. So ayon, I realized every October, pag ganitong month, bago ako mag-birthday, laging yun talaga yung mga time na lost ako, drained, mentally unstable, depressed, overwhelmed, and burned out. So ayon, I want to be honest with you guys because I'm always honest in my YouTube channel. So ayon, lately, this past few days, I feel so lost, literally, and I'm so mentally unstable, and I'm so overwhelmed, burned out, and depressed. Almost everything is negative this past 2 days, I think. And etong 2 days na nakalipas is, I'll be honest, halos hindi ako naligo and nakahiga lang ako sa kwarto ko. Wala akong na-achieve and I'm so depressed and I didn't even go out and ayun, ubos na ubos ako, like literal. But yeah, it's just a part of it. I'm not always like this, but yeah, as in, literal na, hindi ko na naalagaan yung sarili ko this past 2 days and ayun, hindi na ako nakapag-journal. And guys, kapag pinakita ko sa inyo later yung kwarto ko, it's literally the definition of a depressing room and I'm not even going out and sobrang gulo ng lahat. Myself, my mind, my environment, almost everything in my life is so magulo right now lang naman. So, ayun, yun nga, I realized every time na October, bago talaga ako mag-birthday, laging yun talaga yung mga times ng buhay ko na sobrang ganito yung nararamdaman ko. And, na-realize ko siya because last year, I also have a vlog like this and I'm going to insert a picture here. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, i-watch nyo na. And, ayun, I'm sorry sa itsura ko. Nagpulbo lang ako and naglagay ng onting lip tint and I'm breaking out and literal. So, ayun, today is Monday. Thank God talaga, online class kami. And wala talaga kaming gagawin. Kaya, maayos ko yung buhay ko. So, ayun, this is just, ulitin ko, this is just a part of my life. This is like, na 10% of my 100% life lang naman, guys. So, it's not always like this. So, sa mga viewers ko dyan na hindi okay, mentally unstable, sad, depressed, overwhelmed, burned out, everything negative, magiging okay din lahat. Just, you need to function. And ayun. So today, isasama ko kayo guys, magsa-self-care day ako, and also I'm going to journal and I'm going to clean my room, and also meron akong kakabisaduhin lang sa French for tomorrow, and also manonood ako ng movie today, and I'm going to take you guys with me dahil gusto ko mapanood sa YouTube yung how I get my life together. So, ayun, let's go to my room. Ang first step na gagawin ko ngayon, guys, is maglilinis ako ng room. So, I'm going to show you what my room looks like right now. Look, you guys know, kung talagang loyal viewer ko kayo, you guys know na sobrang organized kong tao. Like, I'm the most organized person in myself, academically, in my room, in my life, everything. But, ayun, you guys know I'm depressed when it looks like that. So, ayan, guys, I'm going to clean my room nga muna. And, ayan, this is the current situation of my room. Like, literal na basura po siya. Like, ang gulo-gulo niya po, and I'm really sorry for that. So, ayan guys, ang una kong gagawin is maglilinis muna ako ng room. And after I clean my room, I'm going to take a long bath. And after I take a long bath, I'm going to journal and planner to organize my thoughts. And yun nga, maliligo ako to organize my physical. And yun, ngayon nga, maglilinis muna ako ng room. And later, may kakabisaduhin ako for French for tomorrow, and also sa night time magsi-skincare ako and I'm going to watch something. So yeah. If I wrote you a symphony
just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
Hey guys! Good afternoon. So today is October 20, 2023 and today is Friday and it's currently 4:50 PM. So ayun. I can explain kung bakit ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog and hindi ko nagawa yung self-care night ko nung nakaraan. So get ready with me plus life updates and yon. Hey guys! So ayan, get ready with me. So I have here my mirror. Tama, nabablackout pa ako. So, I have here my mirror. And I think this is the first time na literal na mag-get ready with me kayo with me. Na, ang tawag dito? Na nagsasalita ako. So, first is, alcohol muna tayo. Okay, so, ngayon, mag-aayos ako. Like, I'm going to do my makeup. And I'm going to do my self-care day. And I'm going to do my hair. And outfit ako ng onte. Kasi, I'm going to treat myself and I'm going to take myself out on a date. So, ayun. By the way, guys, this is not sponsored, but, share ko lang na, it's my first time using this. Insert ko dito yung buong picture. So, ayan. Naano ako, napipressure ako sa oras nung video. So, ayan. So, it's my first time using it. So, ayun na nga, ipahid muna natin to habang nagkukwento ako. So, huling nag-vlog ako, I think that's, anong araw ba yun? I forgot kung anong araw ako huling nag-vlog, but, nung araw na yun, guys, dapat mag-self-care night ako that day. Kaya lang kasi, guys, sobrang pressured ako that time. Kumbaga, parang hindi ko din ma-enjoy yung self-care night ko, kasi hindi rin ako makapagpahinga. Kasi, di ba nga last week is our hell week, and, this week is our completion week. So, ayun. Tapos ko na lahat ng mga recitations, lahat ng mga assignments, quiz, performance task, or PETA, ang tawag doon sa UST. And, tapos ko na rin yung mga exam. Kaya lang yun nga, balik tayo. Nung huling nag-vlog ako, I think that's Sunday. Oo, I think that's Sunday. Nung huling nag-vlog ako, guys, meron pa akong pinoproblema nun, which is French. Meron pa akong pinoproblemang kakabisaduhin na French. So, hindi rin ako makakapag self-care night that day. So, I've decided na matulog na lang. Matulog na lang and magkabisado instead of having a self-care night. Kasi gusto ko wala akong iniisip. So, ayun. So, ngayon is Friday. And tomorrow, nakakainis. Kasi may NSTP ako. Kailangan kong pumasok. 2 PM pa naman yun. Hanggang 6:30. So, ayun. So, yun nga. So, balik tayo. Ang genre natin for today is mag-self-care day ako. Like, yeah, physically, I'm going to do my skincare. And I'm going to use my lotion na ginagamit ko lang pag self-care day. And, ayun, we're done with the sunscreen. And, ano pa ba? Yun, mag-aayos tayo. And I'm going to treat myself and take myself out on a date. Which is, as always, that's Starbucks, the love of my life. So, ayun. And, ang step 2 na ginagawa ko, guys, is powder. So, ayun na guys. And after ng self-care day ko, I'm going to journal. So, ayun guys, wait lang. Ba't ba ako napipressure na may camera habang nag-aayos ako? Kasi feeling ko ang dami kong daldal, ang haba ng video. So, ayun guys, ngayon nga pupunta ako ng Starbucks. I'm going to treat myself and mag-journal ako and magpa-planner ako sa Starbucks. Kasi guys, next week is start na ng finals namin. So, excuse me. Finals na namin next week. So, for me, that's a fresh start. So, yun nga, mag-journal ako and magpa-planner ako sa Starbucks. Isusulat ko yung mga dapat kong
pagfokusan lalo ngayong finals and yung mga kailangan kong baguhin sa sarili ko. Kasi syempre guys, nag-a-adjust pa rin naman ako sa college. So, isusulat ko yung mga kailangan kong baguhin sa sarili ko mismo, sa routine ko, ganyan. Tapos, I'm going to write all my new plans and goals this finals. Okay. So, that's what I'm going to do. And then, ano pa bang gagawin ko? So, ayun nga, self-care day natin today. And mag-journal ako and magpa-planner sa Starbucks. And pag uwi ko, I'm going to watch a movie. Something like that. And, ano pa ba? Ayun, let's just see kung anong mangyayari sa vlog na to. Basta, it's self-care episode 2. So, ayun. And for our fourth step, naglalagay ako ng cheek tint. So, ayun guys, habang nag-get ready ako, I'm going to tell some story. So, ayun nga, life update. I think I'm back in my self-care era. So, yeah, I'm back in my self-care era. And academically naman, ang update ko, simula na nag-college ako, I'm very satisfied naman. Like, I'm still the same. Mahilig pa din ako mag-recite. And, for me, nabigay ko yung best or 100% na makakaya ko sa lahat ng assignments, quiz, and PETA. And halos lahat naman po ng scores ko and is pasado or perfect. Ganun. Matataas talaga, legit. Pero yung prelims exams ko, hindi siya sobrang taas, pero hindi siya mababa. I mean, sakto lang. Pero yun nga, recite ako ng recite and ang tataas ng scores ko sa assignments, quiz, and projects. And ayun nga pala guys, dahil completion week namin ngayon and next week na yung start ng final week namin. I mean finals. Wait lang. For our last step, we're going to put lip tint. So ayun guys, binigay na yung mga grades and wait, I'm going to put muna. Ito yung nagpapabuhay ng mukha ko. Ayun, binigay na yung mga grades pero for prelims, pero hindi pa complete. So we have 8 subjects and kasama na dun yung NSTP. And yung NSTP namin guys, hindi siya kasama sa alam mo yun, yung pagka pinag-plus-plus lahat ng subject, tapos yung magiging overall grade mo para malaman kung magla-Latin honors ka or Dean's List. Hindi kasama yung NSTP. So, in short, parang 7 subjects lang yung meron ako as of now. And, ang nabibigay pa lang, yung macrotourism, hindi pa nabibigay yung score. Yung history namin, nabigay na yung score. Yung score ko sa history is 1.25. Tapos, ang highest pala namin sa UST is 1. Lowest is 5. So, ayun na nga, ang history ko is 1.25 and yung theology ko guys, i-share ko lang sa inyo guys na sobrang tumaba yung puso ko yesterday. Nung isa-isa kasi kami tinawag para ipakita yung grade and then sabi ni sir, in-announce niya sa class na ako yung highest sa theology and nakakatawa lang ng puso and ang hirap kasi sobrang ng theology sa UST. Kung tiga UST ka, alam mo yan. So, yun, ang hirap and naka 1 point, ay hindi. I think 1.75 lang ako. Oo, 1.75 lang and yun na yung highest sa theology as of now. And then, ano pa bang nabibigay? Risk management hindi pa, Porpcom hindi pa. Ano ba? I think, yeah, French nabigay na. Tapos yung PE namin, 1.50 ako. So yun, as of now, what I can say on my grades is I'm very satisfied with my grades. Kaya lang, halos lahat ng subject ko is 1. Kaya nga lang, may isang subject ako na sobrang laki ng problem and I'll keep that private na lang guys. Hindi ko na sa inyo i-share, which is yung French. So, ayun. So, wait lang. Bago ko magtuloy sa pag-aayos, what I can say is, my current plan right now is, I want to be better. Like, I want to take care of myself more. That's my plan. And, starting next week, ang goal ko talaga, no absences, no late. And, I want to be better pa. Like, gusto ko pang mag-recite. Gagalingan ko pa ng 10 times pa sa assignments, quiz, projects, and exams. I promise na I'll be more responsible, well-disciplined, and time management talaga, guys. And, ayun, I'll still continue to enjoy my college life, but, yun, I think, babawas-bawasan ko muna ng onte yung time ko with my friends ngayong finals, kasi I literally have a new set of plans and goals for this finals. And I want to achieve those shits. So, mag-celebrate na lang ako pag na-achieve ko na siya, guys. And I want to take you guys with me. So, yeah. So, ayun. Tapos na ako mag-ayos, guys. Yun lang naman ako mag-ayos. So, mag-lotion na tayo. So, for my lotion, ginagamit ko lang to pag self-care night. Victoria's Secret. And ano pa bang gagawin ko? Magsusuklay ako. And I think ita-timelapse ko na lang siya, guys. And ano pa ba? Magpapabango ako. And ayun. Tapos, i-retouch ko to. Tapos, ayun, ayusin natin yung buhok. And, magsasot ako ng jogging pants. And, yun, alis na tayo. So, I'm going to take you guys with me. But, ita-timelapse ko muna siya, guys.
Hey guys! Good afternoon. So, it's currently 5:56 PM na. And, kakatapos ko lang mag-prepare ng sarili ko and ng mga gamit ko. And, ayun, I'm about to leave our house. So, for my look, this is my look. And, this is my top. It's a Brazil top. And, this is my hair. I love this hair talaga sobra so much. And, lately, and this is my pants. And, I'm using my UST tote bag. So, yeah. And, ayun guys, for my tote bag, ang laman niyan is yung mga makeup ko and also yan, yung mga makeup ko nilagay ko sa pencil case kasi ang laman lang naman niya is yung pang-ayos sa hair ko, like yung hair slick, pulbo, concealer, cheek tint, and lip tint. And I also have here my planner or journal. I have here my self-love book. And I have here my laptop because after ko mag-journal, mag-planner, pwedeng magbasa ako. And dala ko yung laptop ko because I'm going to watch the Kardashians as always. And yun nga, yung pencil case ko, may ballpen and highlighter. Meron akong wallet, earphone, dalawang charger for laptop and iPhone, and suklay, and my first cell phone. So yeah, I'm going out na, and I'm going to take you guys with me.
Get to know you short